Hi everyone, welcome back to our phonics lessons. So today we are continuing learning our set 3 sounds. So make sure you've got a pencil and some paper and let's get started. Before I introduce the set 3 sound, we are going to recap over our set 2 sounds. So hopefully you can remember all of the sounds that I hold up. So when I hold it up, I'd like you to say the sound and then write it down as quickly as you can. So are you ready? Okay, what sound is this? E, E, what can you see? Fantastic. Next one. Oi, oi, toy for a boy. Amazing. Okay. Ow, ow, shout it out. Okay, this sound is look at a book. Make sure you're writing it nice and neatly. We've got ooh, poo at the zoo. Amazing, well done. Okay, next one is I, fly high. Now we have whirl and twirl. Well done. Okay, this sound is start the car. Now we have oh, blow the snow. This sound is or, shut the door. This sound is that's not fair. Okay, and the last sound is A, may I play? Amazing. So that is our set 2 sounds. Now, can you remember what sound we learnt yesterday with our set 3 sound? What sound is this? E, cup of tea. Fantastic. So this is E, cup of tea. So it's not E, what can you see? It's E, cup of tea. So my turn, E, your turn. My turn, E, your turn. My turn, cup of tea, your turn. I was holding it the wrong way, so it's my turn, cup of tea, your turn. My turn, cup of tea, your turn. And this is my turn, E, your turn. My turn, E, your turn. So this is cup of tea, E, cup of tea. Fantastic. So now we're going to move on to our next set 3 sound. Now, can you remember what sound this is? Can you shout it out for me? This is oi, toy for a boy. Fantastic. So the sound that we're going to learn today is oi. So this is oi, spoil the boy. Can we say it? Oi, spoil the boy. So here it's an O and an I, and this makes the sound oi. But here we've also got our oi sound. So this is oi, toy for a boy, and this is oi, spoil the boy. So our sound today is oi, spoil the boy. So before we get on to writing our oi sound, we're going to play a quick game. So when I hold this up, you need to say oi. But when I hold this side up, you need to say spoil the boy. Okay, so what do you say when I hold this up? Fantastic, you say oi, and this side you say spoil the boy. Okay, so what do you say? Oi, fantastic. Oi, spoil the boy. Again, spoil the boy, fantastic. This is oi, amazing. Spoil the boy. So my turn, oi, your turn. My turn, oi, your turn. My turn, oi, spoil the boy. Your turn. My turn, oi, spoil the boy. Your turn. Fantastic. So this is oi, spoil the boy. Amazing, well done. So make sure you're paying attention because I'm going to trick you again. So later I'll hold it up and you need to say spoil the boy or oi. Fantastic. So before we get on to Fred talking some words with the oi sound in them, we are going to practice writing them. So this is oi, spoil the boy. It's not oi, toy for a boy. It's oi, spoil the boy. So I'm going to put it up here. And now I would like you to take your time in writing the oi sound, okay? So we've got oi. You can say it as you write it. Oi, spoil the boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Remember, when you're writing, make sure you write on the line and you write it nice and neatly. So then, once you've done that, you can take a picture and upload it onto Class Dojo or onto Tapestry. So the first word that I would like you to write down is the word join. Join. Okay, and remember, our sound is oi, oi, spoil the boy. So your first word was join. Join. And once you've written the word, make sure you've underlined the oi sound in it, so you know that's the sound we're looking at today. So I'm going to write the oi sound up here, just to give me a reminder that that's the sound we're looking at. So the first word was join. Join. Okay, so I'm going to write it. So the first sound is join. Join, your turn. Fantastic. So the next word you're going to write is spoil. 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 I'll give you 5 seconds to write it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. So spoil. What sound comes first? So that comes first. Spoil. Fantastic. Oi, spoil the boy. Fantastic. Oi, amazing. So let's read it together. Spoil. Amazing. Well done. So once you've written those 2 words, the next word I would like you to write is coin. Coin. Your turn. Amazing. So write that down as quickly as you can, and then I will write it on the board for you to check. So coin. Let's go again. Coin. Well done. So let's read it. Coin. Amazing. Let's read this word. Next. And the last word. Well done. Hopefully you've written them down nice and neatly. If you've got any of them wrong or you think some of them look a bit messy, rewrite them and try again. Now I've written some words on my board for us to thread talk. So I'm going to say the word, I'm going to point to it, and then you're going to use your thread fingers to sound out the words. So the first word is foil. Foil. Your turn. Amazing. Let's do it together. Foil. Okay. The next word is point. Point. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's do it together. Point. And the last word is soil. Soil. Your turn. Amazing. Well done. So let's read this word together. Foil. Foil. Point. And the last word is soil. Fantastic. So now I would like you to try and write those words by yourself. So foil, point, and soil. Before we move on to writing some sentences, we need to go over our red words. So I'm going to say a red word for you to write, and then I would like you to write it down. Then I'm going to introduce some new red words that we haven't learnt before, so you need to be making sure that you're paying really, really good attention. So the first red word that I would like you to write is the word to. How do we spell the red word to? It's T and O spells two. So hopefully you've written it down like this. T and O spells two. Okay, so that's a nice easy one to start with. The next one I would like you to write down is I. You should know this off by heart now. We've written it down so many times. So the next word is I. I is a capital I. Fantastic. I is a capital I. If you've written it down once, you can write it down as many times as you can before we move on to the next word, okay? So, right, the next word that I would like you to write is there. We went over this word before, there. How do we write the word there? It's T T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E spells there. So write that down nice and neatly. Make sure your letters are nicely formed and they look nice and neat. T-H-E-R-E. So that's our next red word. We've already written the word I. And what was the other red word that we've written? The word to. T and O spells to. So what word is this? Fantastic. I. This is T-H-E-R-E spells there. And this is T and O spells to. Fantastic. So I've written a red word that we've already learnt before. So can you remember what this red word is? Let me write this letter a bit better. So this is the red word want. W-A-N-T spells want. Can we say it? Want. W-A-N-T spells want. So that red word we introduced before, so I thought we'd recap over it again before I introduce some new red words. So can I get you to write the word want? W-A-N-T. Make sure you write it nice and neatly, and then we will move on to our new red words. So the first red word that we're going to learn today is the word some. S-O-M-E, some. Can you say it for me? Let's spell it together. S-O-M-E, some. So this is our new red word. So can I get you to write that down nice and neatly and write it down as many times as you can, remembering your finger spaces as you go along. So S-O-M-E, some. So I will write it up here for you to see. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. So that's a new red word. And then down here we've got another new red word. So this is W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. So again, I'm going to write it up at the top so you can see it. W-H-E-R-E, where. S-O-M-E, some. W-H-E-R-E, where. So these are our two new red words that we're going to be using in our sentence writing. So make sure you write it down nice and neatly and say it over and over again so you learn how to spell it. And then we are going to get on to our sentences. We're done on learning those two new red words. So now we're going to use one of them in our sentence. So the first sentence that we're going to write together is, where is my coin? Say it with me. Where is my coin? So that's 4 words in our sentence. So what was the first word in the sentence? Where. Okay. So at the start of our sentence, remind me, what do I need to use? A capital letter. And the first word was where. So how do we spell the red word where? W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. So where is my coin? So where, what's the next word? Is. And is a green word, so let's thread talk is. Is. Fantastic. And I'll remember in my finger space. Is. Where is. Where is. Where is my? Is my a red word or a green word? It's a red word. So how do we spell the red word my? M and Y spells my. Where is my coin? So Fred talk the word coin for me. Oin. Sorry. Coin. So remember it's oi, spoil the boy. So Okay, so Where is my coin? Where is my coin? So because this is a question, at the end we're not going to put a full stop. I'm going to use a question mark. So here is how we do a question, because this is a question. Where is my coin? So instead of using a full stop, I'm using a question mark. So don't worry if you've put a full stop at the end of your sentence, but here it's a question. So where is my coin? And I've used a question mark. So now I would like you to write that all by yourself. remembering your finger spaces and the sound that we're looking at today, which is oi, oi, spoil the boy. Hopefully you've written that down nice and neatly and you're ready for our next sentence. So our next sentence is, can I join? Say it with me. Can I join? So that's got 3 words in it, so it's nice and short. So the first word is can. So can is a green word, so let's Fred talk the word can. Can. And remember, at the start of your sentence is a capital letter, so we've got can. So can. Can I join? So can, what comes next? I. So I is a capital I. Fantastic. So can I? Can I? Can I join? So let's Fred talk the word join because we know it's got our oi sound in it. So j, oi, join. Again, j, oi, join. So now can you help me write the word join? So what sound comes first? J. Amazing. J, oi, fantastic. Can I j, oi, join? Can I join? So again, that's another question, so I'm going to use a question mark. So this always comes at the end of a question. So don't worry if you've put a full stop at the end, but I've used a question mark because we are asking, can I join? Can I join? So now it is your turn to write this by yourself. So make sure it's nice and neat. And once you've written those sentences, make sure you take a picture and upload it onto Tapestry or onto Class Dojo. So your sentence that you need to write is, can I join? Hopefully you've been paying attention. So, fantastic. That's oi. What did we say? Spoil the boy. Fantastic. This one. And this one. And what did we say for this? Spoil the boy. Fantastic. So this is oi, oi, spoil the boy. Your turn. Fantastic. Well done. I made sure that you were paying attention. So when we hold this up, you say, and when I hold this up, you say, amazing. Well done. Now it is your turn to write some sentences of your own. So I'm going to give you some sentence starters and some words with the oi sound in them. So this oi sound, and you are going to put them together to write your very own sentences. Make sure you've remembered your capital letter at the start of your sentence, finger spaces in between, and a full stop right at the end. Once you've done that, make sure you take a picture and upload it onto Tapestry or onto Class Dojo. I cannot wait to read your amazing sentences, and I cannot wait to see how hard you've been working at home.